Hello everyone, welcome to Rubia's coaching classes, and today we are going to learn how to draw brain. So first of all, we'll start with drawing midbrain. So as we all know that midbrain controls many involuntary functions like control of visual reflexes and auditory reflexes. Now above the midbrain, we'll draw a tear-shaped structure like this, and then we'll follow the outline of this structure and of the midbrain. Now extend this outline to make small teardrops like structure. So one will draw a small one and other must be bigger than that. This is our pituitary gland. And now draw 3 bumpy structures and extend it. Similarly on the other side, follow the outline and draw 3 bumpy structures and then a tree-shaped structure. This tree-shaped structure is called cerebellum, and its function is to maintain body posture and balance. So now when I extend it and draw tree-shaped structure like this, so after drawing this tree-shaped structure of cerebellum, we'll draw a balloon-shaped structure like this. This is the cranium, and then towards the cerebellum we have to touch the line. Now we'll layer this after drawing, and then we'll draw cerebrum, that is the largest part of the brain. Now for drawing cerebrum, we'll just make cloud-shaped structure by touching the inner outline which we had drawn first, just like this. And as we all know, cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, and it's a well-known fact that the number of convolutions, that is folds, present in the cerebrum indicates the intelligence of the person. The more number of folds in the cerebrum, the more is the intelligence of the person. The folds in the cerebrum increases the surface area so that more neurons can be accumulated, and till the age of 18 the brain continues to grow. So if you want to develop your brain in a good way and in a better way, you just need to do creative things like painting, drawing, dancing, sports and other activities to develop your brain properly. So I have drawn this Y-shaped fold. We have almost completed the structure of brain, just we need to draw a few more things. So you can follow the video and just try to draw the same way along with me, and you'll be able to draw the beautiful structure of our brain. Now lastly, we'll draw our outline in the shape of nose, just like this, and then extend it and then touch it to the spinal cord. The brain stem actually extends into spinal cord. So we'll draw that structure. So yes, we have completed the structure of brain, and now lastly we have to draw a bean-shaped structure in the nose-shaped structure. And now I have labeled all the parts of the brain. You can have a look on this, and thanks for watching. If you have loved this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And you can also watch my previously uploaded videos, which includes structure of kidneys, structure of nephron and other more complicated structure which I have drawn in a very simple and easy way. Thanks for watching. Hope you have enjoyed it. Bye.